In front of me is iPad Pro 11 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can operate Voice Memos. First of all, you need to find Voice Memos app and click on it. Now to start recording, use this red button at the bottom left corner. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same button at the bottom left corner. To listen to it right away, operate those buttons. You can play it and even skip it 15 seconds each way. You can also just slide it on the track to find the piece you want to listen to now. To change the title right away, click at the top and type in whatever you want to. You can also operate all of those options at the top right corner. Those sliders here to adjust playback speed. Decide if you want to skip silence and enhance recording thanks to those two buttons. Now to save your changes, go back, and to discard them, hit reset at the top left corner of Options pop-up. Now click on this icon here if you want to enable or disable text, which is speech-to-text feature. And this one, if you wish to edit your recording while recording it. To do that, pick any section and decide if you want to trim it or delete it thanks to those two options. Then hit apply at the bottom right corner. Finally, if you want to end and save your recording, click on Done over here. Quick tip, if you did what I did, so you pick a moment on the track and hit Replaced, it will overlap. Just something to keep in mind. So to continue your recording, make sure it's here. When I click Done, I can see that my recording was successfully created. Now you can click on it to not only listen to it, but also operate all of those options at the top, like for example, delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!